guys, Ernst from Construction. Here I've got another product from Graco. It's the Line Lazer 1000 ES. This is a battery operated machine. It's basically got your typical airless spray housing on top. You've got your paint reservoir with your pickups, and that basically is built on a trolley. The nice thing about this is it's electric. So all those sites where you don't have electricity or you can't use a generator or like this guy here behind me, a petrol operated spray machine, you can actually use this, and you can, if you run out of battery power, you can plug it straight in as well, should you be able to. Something nice about that, this is where you can adjust your running distance from the machine. It uses a normal spray tip, so you can, if you have to spray vertical stuff, you can just undo this, take that out, and you can use it like a normal gun, which is quite nice. You can also attach your contractor's guns to this and use this basically as a dolly and cart everything around with it. It's lever operated from the back where you can steer it, and it's got everything that all the other machines has got, and it's also got the smart controller on it. Great machine, a lot of applications. Something I wanted to mention about this Line Lazer. It comes with 20 meters of hose, and you can attach any contractor's gun to it, and you can use it for whatever application you want, spraying a roof, working inside warehouses and stuff like that. You can also use the normal line painter, take it off, and you can use it for striping and to do the arrows and stuff like that in stencils. So you don't, it can be detached from the bracket on the front. So this machine truly is an all-rounder. Just a bit of a close-up. This is where your gun is mounted, and its lever works with this lever from the back. If you have a look there, and then you can obviously adjust that. It's also got the easy pump replacement system. The whole pump is basically in here, and with a knock of a hammer you open it and close it and change it. Everything is in there, very simple to do. That's where you put some of that throat seal liquid. This stuff is basically, it stops paint from sticking to the piston shaft, and it just makes it operate a bit better, and also makes your machine last a lot longer. This is where your pickup and your agitator return is. This is where your first strainer is, filter, your pressure gauge, your prime and spray switch, and this is where the magic happens. This is for spray, and the lever on this side, this is to lock your front wheel if you're doing lines. So if you pull that, it unlocks the wheel, and you can actually swivel it around and do circles and all sorts of stuff. If you leave it locked, it helps you to guide the machine straight. Your pressure control knob, on and off switch, and you've got a clever little cubby hole there for storing a few bits and pieces. You've got a handbrake system down there, and this is one complete machine that you can do everything with.